The library usually gives everyone who signs up for the Youth Summer Reading Program a free book to take home and keep. This year, we're delivering those books by mail to kids and teens aged 0 to 17 who live in the Oregon City Public Library service area. To request your free book, go to tinyurl.com/ocbooks on or after July 6, 2020. Choose the number of children and teens in your family, then click Begin Registration. First, enter a name and your address on the form. If you'd like to receive a confirmation email, enter your email address here. Next, choose your books by clicking Show Books and selecting the checkbox next to the title of the book you want. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you can view the book covers and a short description of each book to help you make your decision. When you've made your choices, click the blue Receive Books button to submit your request. And that's how you sign up to receive a free book by mail.